Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. Today we're going to be taking a look at the screener and discuss the potential coins that have potential to rally this week. Right, so before we actually get into the technicals of the stuff, the each coins and the screener, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends of crypto market, please make sure to also click on the bell icon. But you can also give us a follow on Twitter at FXS Crypto. And if you enjoy the content that I put out, both on my Twitter and my YouTube channel, please make sure to give me a follow at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Right, let's head back to the screener. As I explain every Monday, the screener is basically so I can scout altcoins that have potential and then do an analysis on them. Like A, to scout altcoins, B, to check the overall health of the coin, and then C, to see if the coin has a potential to rally. Right, so what I do first is I sort the altcoins by volume. And right now you can see the volume for Frax share has increased by 280% over the last 24 hours and 49% over the last 7 days. And you can see the daily active addresses, which is the number of people interacting with a particular blockchain or that particular coin. It has also increased by 27%. Now that means that the overall health of this coin is looking pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take a look at FX's share first, and then we're going to take a look at obviously not the stable coin StarJ or storage, and then we're going to be taking a look at Voyager token. So these are the three coins we're going to be discussing today. So let's jump right on. Okay, so FXS was very closely linked to Luna Anchor. It was kind of connected to that particular thing, which kind of explains why the coin dropped roughly 80% since May 5th. Right, so what's happening right now is, as you can see, the price rallied roughly 28% yesterday, and looks like the price is also seeing a lot of buying taking place right now. Right, so let's go take a look at it from a lower time frame and see what's up. Right, so on a 4-hour time frame, you can see the price is kind of trying to form some sort of a base. So you could say there's some sort of a resistance somewhere around here. And what's happening right now is the price is this is a clear rounded bottom pattern, so we could see some sort of a consolidation here before the price actually breaks up and then moves higher. Now this could be a cup and handle, potential cup and handle in play, but the upside for FXS is kind of capped at $10. I don't see it going beyond that, mainly because of this up candle that we saw here on the 13th of May, and that is going to be acting as a really good support level. Supply zone, my bad. So that's where I'm expecting, like, if this continues to go on, I'm expecting the price to retest the supply zone, which extends from 10.46 to 12.73. Right, so ideally what I would like to do is, like, what I would love for FXS to do is I would just wait for the price to head down into the deep discount mode, which is anywhere between 6.46 to 6.8. Right, so anywhere a retracement to any of these levels here would be a really good buy, and then long this coin here to this level here at 10.3, which would give you a good 56 to 50, approximately 54 to 50, 60% upswing. Right, that is what I'm expecting, and the reason why I'm optimistic on this particular coin is mainly because, as you can see, the volume has been on an uptrend, and the MVRV are both in negative position, both show a negative value, which means that the short-term and the long-term investors for this coin are currently under losses. It makes sense considering how the coin has kind of dropped drastically from its all-time high when the coin recently launched. So it makes sense for the coin to the investors to be in a loss. But the only thing you kind of have to pay attention to is this exchange inflow, because there's been quite a few investors sending their coins to the exchanges over the last 24 hours. So I think it is better to kind of stay out of FXS for now, at least until it retraces down to important levels, which is 6.66 6.46, and 6.86. This would be a good buy, and then you could probably book profits around the range high at 8.3, or wait for the price to go up to $10 and then book profit there. So let's take a look at the next one, which is storage. Right, a lot of altcoins are kind of showing the same particular pattern. This is a V-shaped recovery, right? The price does this, and then it does this. It kind of like stays in a particular range. And you look at Doge, it's doing the same thing. You look at XRP, it's doing the same thing. You look at storage, it's also doing the kind of same thing right now. So I don't see any bullish outlook for storage until we kind of flip above 0.716. So 0.716 is an important hurdle. Like this supply zone here extends all the way from 0.62 to 0.71. So moving beyond that is kind of what I'm expecting for the price to show some sort of a bullish outlook. Right. So for now, I would literally do nothing because I'm expecting Bitcoin to kind of retrace a little bit, which is why I'm already scalping Bitcoin right now. So I'm expecting some sort of a short play where you could just wait for the price to come down, fill this fair value gap that is present up to 0.45. So I think this would be an ideal short position. And also, as you can see here, hopefully, yeah, no, there's no divergence. I thought there was going to be a divergence between these two peaks over here. But either way, I think we are at a significant resistance level here, aka this supply zone. So I'm expecting, and there's also a fair value gap here which extends down to 0.45. So shorting here would be a really good play for storage. The next coin is VGX. Yeah, kind of similar price action to what we saw for what was FXS. So I think things are looking pretty consolidated for storage, and it is going to continue at least until Bitcoin's kind of done retracing. Bitcoin's kind of done. Yeah, I think Bitcoin needs to retrace first. So there's a chance price for VGX could head as low as 0.686 before we see some sort of a bullish recovery that takes place around here. Right, there is a chance price could also form a lower low, right? But then again, coins like these VGX, I don't see them pumping anytime soon unless there's like a coordinated pump and dump. So hold up, let me just check Voyager token, right? Yeah, as you can see, the market cap for Voyager token is only 221 million, which kind of explains the awful price action that you see here. On top of that, there's no volume as well. So hold up, let's take a look at the volume. As expected, the volume is only 11 million, right? So yeah, Voyager token is kind of a no-go considering the way the price action is right now. Just wait for the price to kind of stabilize, at least wait for Bitcoin to kind of stabilize, and look for a good reversal point for Bitcoin, and that's where you kind of long VGX. So that is pretty much it for today's altcoin screener session that we do every single day on Monday. So if you enjoyed this session, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.